Hello, my dear friends. Today it is raining on the roof. I don't know if you can hear it in the RV, but into every life a little rain must fall. So today, that's what I'm talking about. Into every life a little rain must fall. Rain isn't sunshine, right? It's the opposite of sunshine. Sometimes we embrace the rain, but most of the time we think it's an inconvenience. So most of the time, things that keep you home or keep you from doing what you want to do are an inconvenience. Sometimes we embrace it, but mostly it's an inconvenience. So today I want you to remember that it's okay, that that's life, and that life doesn't change just because you want it to be perfect. Life is going to continue to be life. So use your planner, look at your day, make sure that you plan in your planner. Today is planning and desk day. When you get this short, this is planning and desk day. Plan in your planner. And then for payroll, you're going to plan on Sunday afternoons. But then follow the plan. No matter what's happening, follow the plan if you can. If there is something that must change, let's say there's an emergency, then do that mindfully. Take a moment to look at it and change it, or take your planner with you so that when you get someplace that you can be quiet, if you have to run out on an emergency, you can rearrange your day. All right, that's it for today. Have a wonderful day.